everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you iOS 17.0.3. This is the 3 is the patch for iOS 17. What this update does, it helps with certain things. So it says this update provides important bug fixes, security updates, and addresses the issue that may cause iPhone to run warmer than expected, meaning that there's a software controlled temperature control. It's like a thermostat in your car, and what happens is, and I've experienced this too, your phone runs hot, a little warmer than expected, but you don't want it to get so hot that it messes everything up. So I'm going to update this now. There we go. So basically, if you installed iOS 17 and it's running warm, that's why. So what they did is they went in, fixed the stuff, and come back out. So that's why you have iOS 17.03. This particular update is 400 megabits and megabytes, excuse me. Bits is networking. And that's why you have this. But so far I've never had a problem with iOS 17. I really like it. I just wish the iPhone X was compatible with it. But due to hardware limitations, it is not. So as you see, it is downloading. So basically what happens is your phone is getting warmer than it should be. And like I said, there's a piece of software in this operating system that acts as the thermostat, almost. Yes, that thing in your car, like I stated. So, if you want to know more about it, you just click that, just like always, and all that. I like to film these videos so that way anybody who has an iPhone knows what's up. And it says preparing update. And just like last time, what's going to happen is it's going to download, it's going to install, you know, the usual stuff. Alright, I'll be back when this is finished. Now what I didn't show in other iOS update videos is you get a screen like this. It says iOS 17.0.3 is available for your phone, which means it's downloaded and ready to install. So basically I can install now, install later, or do details. Now if let's say you downloaded it, you set your phone to automatically download, and let's say you have a very important call, I would push later. Now, for me, I don't need to worry about that, so I'm going to push install now. It's going to verify the update. And as soon as it verifies the update, that's when the screen's going to go blank and it's going to install. Alright, it is done installing. I am in the general settings here, and if I do software update, it is up to date, and if I go here, it is up to date. So anyway, with that said, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click that bell for more notifications.